the students. The problem is only of the teachers. They don't have sequence. They don't have a series-wise homework. Sometimes, I studied in Hyderabad. I know that no any center left where I did not study in Hyderabad. I know how teachers teaches. Really, there are many problems in the method of teaching, in the method of teachers. Once they will not teach you right way, on the right time, then definitely what will be the problem of the student then? Definitely student will not reach on the level. If you are not have given the right way or right path where you have to go and where you have to reach, so absolutely then the student will definitely get confused. Hurdles, obstacles will definitely come. So my mean is only this center, inshallah, give you the high quality of education. Just, by God's grace, I will inshallah prove it, that how to teach and make the level of students stronger. They will come, I will prove it inshallah. So, see, only your responsibility to give me the students and leave everything on me. And if your students will not change within 1 month, I'm not saying 1 month, within 1 week, I will return your fees. I will say, take your fees and now go back to home. I'm claiming the word, see that. That was my vision. Once vision behind of your life, then that mind never see the business, never see the money. So, inshallah, a day will come if students are not flowing right now. But if inshallah a day will come, admission will be completed and students will be waiting inshallah. I'm ensuring you, because I only sell the quality of education. I never compromise. I have appointed another teacher in the name of Sir Ikram Zardari, and he is managing the speaking club, and I am managing the portion of grammar and TS reading. So remember and really just come and see the success and see the improvement and see the level, how you can progress, how you will achieve your goal. Thank you very much.